In this video, we will explain the keypad configuration along with the various diagnostics shown on the display screen. The Settings function button is used to enter the basic setup information required at the time of installation. The Manual Regen function button is used to initiate either an immediate or delayed manual regeneration. And the arrow up and down buttons are used to increase or decrease the value of the settings while in the various programming modes. When power is connected to the control valve, the main display screen will pause on the date and time. Then it will continually scroll through all the system diagnostic display screens in sequence. The first diagnostic screen shown after the date and time is the total number of days between regenerations and the remaining number of days before it performs its next regeneration. The next screen shows the last time that the filter regenerated. This screen shows the total number of regenerations that the filter has performed since it was installed, followed by the total treated amount of gallons that has passed through the filter since it was installed as well. This shows the current flow rate and the peak flow rate since the filter last regenerated. This shows the maximum number of days in which the filter will perform a regeneration. When the display shows Delayed Regen Off, this means that the filter has not yet queued a regeneration to be performed this evening. Whereas if it states Delayed Regen On, it means that the filter has been queued to regenerate tonight. And for this example, the regeneration time for this filter is 12 a.m. or midnight. This screen shows that the control valve is programmed as a backwashing filter. And this shows the valve's PCB ID code. And once you have arrived back at the date and time, it indicates that you have seen all the diagnostic information.
Visit us at www.CanatureWG.com.